Hi, welcome to our project Driver Drowsiness Detection System, a smart solution that monitors drivers in real time to prevent accidents. Every day, road accidents are increasing worldwide, often caused by small moments of distraction behind the wheel. One major cause is driver drowsiness. When fatigue takes over, even a second of sleep can lead to fatal consequences. To solve this, we use computer vision to scan the driver's face and analyze their alertness instantly. The system first detects the driver's face in real time using advanced face detection techniques. Next, it identifies key facial landmarks like eyes, nose, and mouth for detailed analysis. It continuously tracks eye movements to determine whether the eyes are open or closed. The system also detects yawning and counts how often it occurs, indicating signs of fatigue. All this data is analyzed to decide if the driver is becoming drowsy or losing focus. This entire process runs in real time, analyzing live video frames continuously and efficiently. If drowsiness is detected, an alert is instantly triggered to wake the driver and prevent danger. The driver regains focus and the system confirms a safe driving state once again. To make it user-friendly, we build a graphical interface using Tinkinter for easy interaction. The dashboard displays live video, eye status, yawning count, and alerts in one place. Finally, all modules work together to deliver a complete intelligent driver safety system. Thank you for watching.